Storm Team 8 Tracking Center. This is a winter weather alert.
What a difference a day makes. This is a look across West Michigan, and every location seeing some form of snow. We also have some heavy rain falling in places like Kalamazoo, but tonight we expect everyone to drop back below freezing, and I do think that's going to happen by about 10 o'clock with sub-freezing temperatures continuing overnight. So everything that's fallen is going to refreeze, and in addition to that, we are expecting the wind to pick up. Here's Storm Track Live, and zooming out, you can see that this is part of a much bigger system. A lot of severe weather, some blizzard warnings wrapping back down into the plains. We're seeing the heavy snow component, and we still have a ways to go. We expect additional snow to accumulate overnight tonight, but because of that tricky rain-snow line, we don't have equal amounts for everyone. So places like Ionia, Hastings, Kalamazoo, down to Benton Harbor into Calhoun County, probably about a trace to 2 inches of additional accumulation tonight. But north of that line into places like Greenville, Lowell, Grand Rapids, Kentwood, Wyoming, Ada, Rockford, Muskegon, Holland, Spring Lake, 2 to 5 inches of snow. So we could see a good 5 inches of accumulation overnight tonight for some select communities as this system pivots through. Here's 9 o'clock. By that point in time, almost all of us below freezing, but I think by 10 o'clock we really do start to fall. That's when things get especially icy, but road salt should still be pretty effective at those temperatures. 6 a.m., winds out of the northwest. We could see some wind gusts up near 45 miles per hour tomorrow morning, so blustery, some isolated power outages possible, and still some lingering light lake effect snow. We're not expecting much accumulation on Wednesday, but it will likely be blowing around and settling on top of some of the heavy stuff that refreezes tonight. Wednesday starts to quiet down with the day, but then we have another system on its heels for Thursday. Side by side tonight, 30 degrees, Wednesday 33, winds gusting through the daytime around 20 to 35 miles per hour. And then we have another system that moves in Wednesday night into Thursday morning. This is a quick system. We're only expecting about 1 to 3 inches. Looks like biggest impact will be about 7 a.m. and then it scoots right out. Most of our attention is actually now turning towards a more impactful storm system on Friday and Saturday. And there's still a lot that needs to go into this forecast. Usually these powerful storms can have a big range of impacts, so the forecast track is really important. But right now, very strong likelihood of heavy snow and wind. This is just one example, and it's looking more and more likely that this storm system will deepen. It's stronger than the one that we just experienced, and it looks likely to cut across the Great Lakes. Winds could gust with this thing up near 45 to even 50 miles per hour, with the biggest impact time frame likely being sometime during the day on Friday into overnight Saturday. After that point in time, we switch gears into the teens for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If the lake doesn't shield some of our southern counties, we could see some wind chills next week at 20 below.
Ooh.
Welcome back, winter.
My goodness.
Yes.
Yes. So this is a real deal. I hope everybody is using today's storm to kind of relearn some of the safety things that we need and really put them into practice next week.
Yeah,
That's
so it's
a good
going to
point.
continue.
Oh, yes.
Helen, thank you.